Ahoy, my friends, it's your old buddy Doc back again with another story time for you. And tonight we have a fantastic short story. This one is Rusty Rivets' Pirate Treasure Hunt. And let's go ahead and begin. I'm interested to see how this modern telling of a story goes. Ahoy, Rusty greeted his friends. Prepare to set sail because I have found something super cool. Look at this pirate treasure map of Sparkton Hills from my great-great-granddad. It must be from a long time ago, said Ruby. She read the first clue on the map. Find the spot the X's mark, across the town and in the park. Follow the map, alone or together. It will lead you to buried treasure. Guess they're on a treasure hunt. Let's go on a pirate adventure, said Rusty. Following the map, he led everyone into the forest. So, according to the map, the first X is under ye old crooked tree, said Rusty. Does anyone see a crooked tree? Asked Ruby. Rusty, Bottasaur, and the Bits looked around. Then Ruby spotted the crooked tree. Awesome! This is the spot, said Rusty. Bottasaur began to dig, and before long he found a pile of wooden pieces. Wonder what the wooden pieces are to. Look, said Ruby. There's a message from your great-great-granddad. She read it aloud. Finding these pieces means you're clever and wise. Keep searching, me mateys, to reach your next prize. I like the sound of that, said Rusty. Time to bolt. The friends checked the map and raced off to find the next clue. Wonder where the next clue's going to be. So the next X is here in the park on some kind of big round thing, said Ruby. Let's split into teams to search for it, suggested Rusty. Bottasaur soon found what they were looking for. Of course, exclaimed Rusty. The old sundial is big and round. It's a perfect place for buried treasure. A sundial? Wonder how they're going to dig that up. Rusty leaned against the sundial, accidentally pressing a hidden button. Suddenly, the sundial began to spin, revealing a secret chamber, and inside there were 3 long poles. What do we do with these? Asked Rusty. There's another message, Ruby said. She read the third clue. 3 more pieces of puzzle you found? Now head to the beach and be seaward bound. I guess it's off to the water they go. A puzzle, said Rusty. That means we're not only looking for treasure, we're actually making something too. So the last piece must be at the next X, Ruby exclaimed. Come on, everybody, shouted Rusty. Let's load up and head to the beach. At the beach, Rusty and his friends ran into Mr. Higgins. That's one nifty treasure map you got there, he said. Mind if I join in the fun? Sure, said Rusty. Well, at least he's letting other people in. And now everybody's having fun. Rusty found the next X and started to dig. I've got it, he said, holding up a wheel. Looks like it's from an old wooden cart, Mr. Higgins observed. What can you do with just one wheel? Ruby asked. One wheel can be used for steering, said Rusty. And if we've learned anything from the other pieces, there should be another clue. There. Ruby read the clue. The pieces you found, a new vessel make. Combine it, design it, then fair winds to the lake. Sounds like they were off to make a vessel, a boat, a ship. We need to build something with all these puzzle pieces and head out onto the lake to find the treasure, Rusty said. Let's combine it and design it, he told his friends. First, we connect the wood parts and the skinny poles. Then we add the old steering wheel. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Looks like he's on his way to building a ship. Soon, they had built a pirate ship. Then, Rusty noticed another clue on the side of the ship. He read it out loud. From the clues that I've given, you've built what I've shown. Now add something new and make it your own. Rusty and Ruby quickly went back to work. Modified, customized, rustified, declared Rusty. Introducing the new, improved, and fully rustified Power Pirate Ship 1650. They made a modern pirate ship. I think it looks spectacular. All right, Captain. Let's see what this ship can do, Ruby said. Prepare to bolt, matey, replied Rusty. The powered-up ship began to zip along the water. The treasure should be right here, said Ruby. When he reached the spot marked on the map, using his utility glove to lower the pirate ship claw into the lake, Rusty pulled up a treasure chest. It looks like they found the treasure. How fantastic. Wow! The coolest treasure ever! An antique hammer! Exclaimed Rusty after they'd opened the chest. And look! Rubies for Ruby! They left some cool pirate gear in here too. Want to try it on, Bits? The treasure hunt was awesome, said Rusty. But it's time we head back to shore, added Ruby. Suddenly, an old piece of paper fell out of the spyglass Ruby was holding. It's another treasure map, she said. You still want to head back? Asked Rusty. There may be more treasure to find, said Ruby in her best pirate voice. Full steam ahead! Aye, aye, said Rusty. And they're off on their next adventure. Aye. Was a short story, but a good one, and I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, my friends, be well, and I'll see you then.